Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can apply for the free Fazaa membership under the UAE Family Benefit Program. I will walk you through the steps so that you can easily submit your application. So first of all, make sure that your family is eligible for the program. Under this initiative, the family must include at least one son or daughter to qualify for the free Fazaa membership offered during the year of the family 2026. So step one is to basically open your web browser and come on the official Fazaa website, which is fazaa.ae. So when you are here on the website, you need to basically look for the application process. So you can click on the become a member option on the top right hand corner of the screen. This is going to open this type of form in front of you. Over here, you can start this application. So here you need to provide the company code. Afterwards, you need to start filling out the form by providing your personal information such as your name, the contact number, the email address, and other required details. Now, you need to also add your family information. It includes providing the details for your family members who will be included in the memberships. Now, Fazaa may also ask you to upload the required documents. Usually, you will need to upload the copies of Emirates ID for each family member to verify the information. After submitting this particular form, simply review all the details carefully and then simply submit the application. So once you submit it, the system is going to basically process your request. You will get whether you have basically approved or rejected via your email address or the message. If you approved for it, you need to download the Fazaa mobile application on your phone. Then when you sign in here with the help of your registered credentials, your Fazaa card will be activated, and then you can basically start using your Fazaa card membership to avail the discounts on shopping, travel, entertainment, restaurants, and many other services. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.